Hello everyone and welcome back. By the end of this video, you will learn how to make your own 3D polar bear at home. And for this video, we need some very simple stuff which even you can be having at home. So please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel before we start. So for this activity, we'll be needing some blank paper like how I have here, which we'll have to fold properly. Make sure that all the sides are equal. Like this. So it's supposed to look like this. For this part, we'll be needing the pencil. And you will have to draw a lightning sign. Kind of a lightning sign, which is actually the bear's mouth. It's supposed to be a bit curved, like how I made. Now turn for the tail. Okay, and the reason we are starting from these both, the face and the tail, is that the rest of the part will get a bit hard if we won't start with the head and the tail. So now for the legs, just bend it a little. So here's the first leg. Yeah. And there's no need to draw a line over there. So here's the second leg. Like this. So it's supposed to look like this. And over here I'll draw a pointed line, which means that we are not supposed to cut it from this part. So it's supposed to look like this. So now we'll just make the nose so that it will be easier. We'll even need the black pencil. It's up to your choice. For the eyes and the ear. So it's supposed to look like this. So now we'll have to cut it. After cutting, it looks like this. From the area where I made those dotted lines, I told you that we're not supposed to cut, so it looks like this. To make this part a bit easier, you have to bend it first on this place, then second on the other place, so that it will be able to fold. Now we'll have to open the bear. So for this part we need some glue. So we take the glue like this and we paste it. Okay, so now we just have to put the other part with it very carefully. Like this. So it looks like this from the bottom. And so just so that your bear can stand, you have to just fold a small part of the legs. And you can even attach a small piece of paper on the leg area, which I'll show you in a while. So this is how our bear looks. So as I told you that you can even attach a paper like this. Just stick glue on the feet area and so then it's ready. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll meet next time with more exciting videos. Goodbye.